Good morning. Today we want to solve this simple mathematics. It's about logarithm. So we'll quickly solve this 4 question. So let's start. Look at number 1. Evaluate 27 base 3 plus 6 base 3 minus 54 log 54 base 3. And from the law of logarithm, we know that if we have log b xy is log x base b plus log y base b. So what this actually means is that when we say plus like this, we are going to times, and log b x over y is log So using these two principles, I will quickly solve this question now. You can see that they are in the same base and positive. So when we say positive like that, we are going to multiply, and negative in this kind of question, we are going to divide. So what we have is log 3, can just go into bracket like this, 27 times 6 divided by 54. And when we press our calculator, we will see that 27 times 6 is 62 over 54. And 62 over 54 is 3. So log 3 and log 3. So we have log 3 base 3. And once this number and the base are equal, the answer is equal to 1. So log 3 base 3, the answer is equal to 1. So the answer of this number 1 question is 1. So applying the same principle, let us quickly do this number 2 question. Evaluate, number 1 and number 2. So I will multiply this one and then divide this one. Let me do like this: log 0.04 and 0.25 log 5 bracket 100 divided by 4. And if we press our calculator, 0.04 times 0.25, we are going to get log 10 0.01, log 10 is 0.01 over 100 divided by 4 is 25 over log 5 over log 25 rather is 5. So we can now simplify this further, and how can we do that? We'll convert this to standard form. And how are we going to convert it to standard form? We can also write it like log 10 raised to power minus 2 over log 5 and log, because 5 raised to power 2 is also 25. So what we just do next, this minus will come here, minus 2 log 10 base 10 over 2 log 5 is 5. And from the principle that we use here, now when the number and the base are equal, it is 1. So I can just write like 2 times 1 minus 2 times 1 over 2 times 1. So the answer will be minus 2 divided by 2. So the answer of this number 2 question is minus 1. Very simple. Very, very simple. You can look at the board. Very, very simple. Very simple. And on this question here are actually JAMB questions. So if you are preparing for an external exam, if you are preparing for JAMB, WAEC, NECO, this is the channel you belong to. This is the channel that you have to be serious with. So let me quickly do the third one. So we have 4 raised to power 3 over 2 plus log 5. Very simple. From the principle of indices, you can check our previous video. We'll know that this 4 raised to power 2 is also root 4 raised to power 3. Root 4 raised to power 3 over 2 is also this. And what is root 4? Root 4 is 2. So that is 2 raised to power 3. And 2 raised to power 3 is 8. So let me quickly do them one by one. And log 5. Do you know that this 0.04, we can actually write it as 1 over 400. 0.04, we can write it as 1 over 100 rather. So, and this 1 over 100 is also 1 over 25. So we can write it like log 5 into this, just a reciprocal. And then because 5 raised to power 2 is 25, and then we have log 5, and then this minus 2 will now come like this, minus 2 is 5, and I already told us that when we have minus 2, log 5 is 5 like that is 1, so we have minus 2, so this log 0.04 is minus 2, and let's quickly do for log 3, log is 1 is 3. We know that 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, then another times 3 is 81. So 3 raised to power 4 is 81, so we can just write it like that. 3 raised to power 4, and from the law of logarithms, so we have 4 log this 3, and then we have 4 times 1, which is equal to 4. So we now add this one, and this one together. So this is 8. So we have 8 plus, 8 minus 2 plus 4. So what is 8 minus 2? That's 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. So the answer for number 3 is 10. Very simple. Then the last one. Don't forget, this channel is meant for people that are preparing for WAEC NECO. I know that WAEC GC is already on the way. So we have 5 log into bracket y plus 3 is equal to log 32. We can actually write it like this as log y plus 3 raised to power 5 is equal to log 32. And actually, we should know that 32 is still 2 raised to power 5. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is, times 2 16, then times 2 32. So 2 raised to power 5 and raised to power 5. So if you notice something here, if you do a comparison, we have log here and the power are equal. And because the power are equal like this, so we write it as y plus 3 is equal to 2. And if y plus 3 is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 minus 3. And 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So that's the answer. So please and please, don't let us forget to like and subscribe, share to your friends. Let them know what is going on here. So our next class will do physics again. We'll talk about the equation of motion, velocity time graph, and a lot of things like that. So have a wonderful day. Thank you.